ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Uminti kitrat jungok kai perthei wa polling do haga prade unaitung arajar phosau ulit hu baga sarkar jila kan pentikna bante ko world class ropeway project hagan ga jila Meghalaya haga jine kerem ikla pathai ko bor ba pol ong ba Shwa bunai Risaw arajar phosau ka sarkar kan pentikna no baga jingtre kan project kan urlong no hadem ladap plipat ba daga president jugari India yu monong rem haga jingwan yu kejat shigani ga jila.
We would like to ensure that we have a world-class roadway project installed in Meghalaya. So we are in the last leg of issuing fresh corrigendum, but as you are aware, the working season here begins after the monsoons. By early October, we should be able to see that the project actually takes off. The official inauguration has already been done by the President of India. Work on the ground should start by October.